So to do this, we want to go down over into our settings. Then we want to scroll all the way down to where it says system, and you should see system update, and you might see a little message at the bottom that says system update is ready. Click on that and you'll see a new system update is available. Go ahead and double click on that. You want to make sure you're connected to the internet, and the console will restart once the update is complete. Any suspended software will be closed. So make sure to back up or save any of your game saves before doing this. Go ahead and hit OK. It's going to close out any software that's running. Looks like the update is complete. The system will restart momentarily. All right, once that's rebooted, you can go back into your settings, go all the way down to your system. You'll see that you're updated with the current version, will be right under system update, which is 13.0, which in this particular update has a pretty cool new option for Bluetooth audio pairing. Questions, comments, and concerns, please post them below.